Some people are born to walk the earth, but some are born to touch the stars. Kalpana Chawla was one of them. From the narrow streets of Karnal, Haryana, to the infinite skies of outer space, her story is not just about science or success, it's about the power of dreams, the courage to rise, and the faith that turns the impossible into possible. Every time a rocket launches into the sky, it carries the spirit of a woman who once looked up and whispered, "One day I will be there." Kalpana Chawla was born on March 17, 1962, in Karnal, Haryana, the youngest of four children. As a little girl, she would stand outside her home watching airplanes trace white lines across the sky, wondering where they were going and dreaming that one day she would follow them. While many around her believed that girls should stay grounded, Kalpana imagined herself beyond the blue horizon. She spent hours sketching aircrafts, visiting the local flying club with her father, and asking endless questions about how planes flew. She completed her schooling in Karnal and went on to study aeronautical engineering at Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh. She becomes one of the few women in her class who was trying to study aeronautical engineering. Even as a student, her determination stood out. She wanted not only to fly but to understand flight itself. After earning her degree, Kalpana moved to the United States in 1982 with nothing but ambition in her heart and a suitcase full of dreams. She pursued higher studies with unwavering focus, earning a master's degree in aerospace engineering from the University of Texas at Arlington and later a PhD from the University of Colorado Boulder. Her professors remembered her as quite curious and unstoppable. After years of dedication, her brilliance opened the doors to NASA, where she worked as a research scientist and trained as an astronaut. Training was intense. Long hours in simulators, survival tests, and the physical challenges of preparing for life in zero gravity. But Kalpana never complained. She was living her dream. In 1997, she achieved what once seemed impossible, becoming the first Indian-born woman to travel to space abroad, the Space Shuttle Columbia STS-87. As she looked down from the shuttle window, she described Earth as a beautiful, fragile, and breathtaking home for humanity. Her mission inspired millions across the world, especially young Indian girls, to believe that no dream is too high to reach. But her courage didn't stop there. In 2003, she was selected again for another mission, STS-107. For 16 days, she and her crew conducted over 80 scientific experiments studying space and space effects on the human body and Earth's atmosphere. As the mission neared completion, Kalpana sent a message home telling her friends, "This journey has been amazing and the view of Earth is magical." On February 1st, 2003, as the shuttle prepared to return home, a tragic accident occurred. The Columbia disintegrated on re-entry and Kalpana Chawla, along with 6 other astronauts, lost their lives high above the Earth she so deeply loved. Kalpana Chawla's journey didn't end with that tragedy. It became a legacy. She showed the world that dreams have no boundaries, not of gender, not of geography, and not even of gravity. Her story continues to ignite the spark of ambition in young minds, reminding us that ordinary beginnings can lead to extraordinary destinies. She once said, "The path from dreams to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get onto it, and the perseverance to follow it." Today, countless institutions, scholarships, and students carry her name forward, not as a memory of loss, but as a reminder of what it means to rise to reach. and to never stop believing. Her life remains a symbol of courage, hope, and endless possibility. If Kalpana Chawla's story moved you, remember your sky is waiting too. Dream big, work hard, and never stop believing in the power of your purpose. Follow my channel Enlightened with Sabha for more true stories that inspire the soul, ignite the mind, and remind you you too can touch the stars. Thank you for watching.